Greetings to all. In today's session, we will guide you on how to link your Salesforce Knowledge Base to your Kommunicate chatbot. To kick things off, ensure that you have a Kommunicate account. We will log into the Salesforce account to keep it ready. Now, we are on the Knowledge tab. This is the hub for all your articles. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have created a new article. How do I sign up for your loyalty program? To create a simple chatbot, we first return to the Kommunicate platform, navigate to the Bots Integrations tab, and create a new bot. With the help of our in-house chatbot builder Compos, the process is made simple and straightforward. We'll create a chatbot, choosing a black template and naming it Salesforce FAQ. After saving the settings, we'll move ahead to finalize the bot setup. And there you have it. Our bot is now ready. This illustrates the ease of creating a chatbot with Kommunicate. Next, let's set up the welcome message. Starting with a friendly greeting, "Hi there, hope you are doing well." We'll then add another message asking, "How may I assist you today?" Don't forget to save these settings. To link our chatbot with the Salesforce Knowledge Base, click on the Knowledge Source tab. Here you'll see three options. For this tutorial, we'll select Knowledge Base. Salesforce will be listed here, along with Zendesk Knowledge Base. Click on Salesforce. You'll then be prompted to connect your Salesforce account. By clicking the Connect to Salesforce button, you'll be asked to log in. If you're already logged in, the connection will be established automatically once you click this button. As you can see, the authentication was successful. If you're not logged in, you'll be asked to enter your Salesforce account details. After logging in, click on this toggle button to establish a connection. The Salesforce connection settings, which links your chatbot to the Salesforce Knowledge Base, is now updated. We created an article with this question. Let's test the chatbot by asking the same question. Now, the chatbot will present the welcome message we just configured. Let's ask question we have configured in the article. How do I sign up for your loyalty program? Now let's see if the chatbot can provide the correct answer. Let's pose the same question here. The chatbot fetches the answer from the article we created. The question, "How do I sign up for a loyalty program?" is answered here, along with the source. Likewise, you can create as many articles as desired. It's as simple as that to connect your Salesforce Knowledge Base with Kommunicate. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to schedule a demo with us or sign up for a free trial to test our chatbot. Thank you.